Hello all, welcome back to the channel. Right, today I'm just going to do a little bit of tinkering around in the van. What I want to do is do a bit more lighting. What I want to do is, underneath the kitchen, on the plinth, I want to put a separate light switch to operate the lights underneath the plinth, and I was thinking about doing something just below the shower as well. Turn it around. So got the strip light there, so I want to put it underneath the kitchen, so that'd be on a separate light switch to the ceiling. But I also want to put something down this side on the shower as well, so I'm thinking about putting a bit of skirting board and putting carpet around it, but just leaving probably a centimetre from the floor, or probably not even that, but just enough just to put some of that underneath it, so it'd be quite nice to have it illuminated on the floor on one switch. So that's the plan. I'm going to be tinkering around with that, and I don't know if I've got enough cable or not, but we'll see what happens. Right, so that's the main switch for the ceiling lighting, so I'm going to get another rocker switch and put it beside that one, and that'll operate the floor lighting. And eventually, when I have the corner sofa as well, that'll be on the same circuit. So underneath the corner sofa, I want to continue, I have another strip light, but connected to the same circuit. So once you hit that new light switch, which is going to be there, all of the floor lighting will come on. I think that'd be quite posh, if it works. Of course it's going to work. Sparky. So a 20mm hole cut with a 20mm hole saw. That will accommodate one of those switches. So then that just slips in and clips in like that. So we've got to do now, because I want light underneath there, I'm going to have to drill a hole through there, but I'm going to come through the other side. So I've just measured it for, so 500mm. So I'm going to do that from the other side, because on the other side I've got cable, so I want to drill from the other side in towards the van. So I want to go and do that now. Then I can stick the LED light cables through, then I can stick that underneath. Right, so I'm just feeding that around. I ain't got a tripod with me, so well, I have, it's in the front, but so that's what I'm doing so far. I was just peeling that off and just running that underneath. Piece of art. Look at that, what a pain. I'll just run some more flexible conduit. I was trying to go down the original one, but I had no hope. So this is just a complete mess at the moment. I've got to sort all that out, but I just want to get it all working. Then I can tidy it all up, clip it all up. Right, again, in the back of the van, in the garage, is a right meal, pig's ear of it. Again, I'm going to tidy it all up. I just want to get it all working first. That'll all be neat, and I'll show you when I've done it. Right, in the back of the van, dark. There we go. So that I am impressed with. So you've got, see those lights, 2 rocker switches, they do the upper and they do the lower. So like I said earlier on, I'm going to do something with that side. I'm going to put some skirting board around there, cover it in carpet, go to just the end there, because I don't know exactly what I'm going to do with the corner sofa yet, how far I'm going to come out with that. So yeah, skirting board with carpet on it, have it up a little bit, just enough so I can feed some LED strip light, which is the COB, the cob light. I can't remember where I got it from. So I don't know. No, does it say? Yeah, Atten Lighting, Unit 14, North Street, Melton, Manbury. That's where I got it from. Quite cheap as well. I can't remember how much they are. But yeah, that was a short video today. Once I get the other side sorted out, that'll be continuing on this video. So see you whenever that will be. Good morning all, welcome back to the channel. Right, today I'm going to do the other side of the lighting. As you saw on the last bit, I did under the plinth lighting there underneath the kitchen unit. So today I'm going to be putting a piece of skirting board, can cover it in carpet, have it raised up a little bit, then I can have some of the LED lighting underneath it. So I'm just measuring up now, cutting, then I'll glue some carpet to it. So that's the idea. Got the skirting board, I've cut them out at a 45-degree angle. There, join that. I'm going to cover them in carpet, raise it up, put the light in underneath, which is similar to that, so it's going to be equal on the same circuit. So I'll illuminate the floor. Just done some bits up there, either side of the fridge as well. They're going to be carpeted, and I'll screw them in. But I had to leave a gap both sides. That side didn't really need to, but I just want to look even, because when the door opens, it's going to need a bit of space for it to open fully. Right, so that's that bit carpeted, so I'll just go in there. Oh, that nearly dropped you. So yeah, so I'm going to be raising that up a little bit. I'm going to have the light underneath that, so that should be quite good. So I'm going to go and sort out, drill a hole through that side so I can go up behind and through the shower into the back. Okay, I've got the tripod this time because it's just a bit easier. Right, what I'm going to do actually, I said I was going to drill through the first. What I'm going to do is stick the light in on the underside of the skirting first. Right, so it's super easy, so it just sticks on. The other side hasn't fallen off yet, so that's a good sign. I'm just going to stick it in the centre of that and just feed it, just feeding it on, peeling off the paper. So that's stuck on there. I'm just going to leave that hanging off the end a little bit, because where I'm going to go around the corner there, I might have a little bit of the light going underneath there, because when I have the benching eventually in there, it's going to be sat back a little bit. So, and again underneath the benching I want some lighting underneath there as well, so it'd be quite nice just to continue it around the whole area. Now I'm going to drill a hole through, and so I can feed that end through, then out the back. That, then I'll drill a hole through underneath, came down at an angle through there, so fed the cable up and just drill through into the garage. So now I can go behind, connect to the other side lights. So that's what I'm going to do now. Okay, so I've just joined them up, and yeah, cool, it works. So I'm going to put that in place. Actually, I've got to try and sort that corner bit out first. Let's do that. Okay, so I've got the skirting board around that bit. I've just got to do a couple of little bits up there. But yeah, all in all, it looks good. I'm happy with that. I think with that side, because it's closer to the ground, it looks more white than a warm effect light, which they are actually a warm, but because it's sort of like bouncing off the floor, it's just giving that more of a cool look compared to that side. So I don't know what I'll have to do with that. I might even put that on a different circuit yet, but I'll see how it goes. We're going away this weekend, so I can have a look at it and see what it's like at night time, and just take it from there. All right guys, that's it for this video. If you like, please yeah, I don't know what I'm saying, but no, if you do like it, please like it, subscribe to it and all. I don't know what I'm talking about, but anyway, I'll see you on the next video. Cheers guys, bye for now.